Good morning and welcome to your daily weather briefing. We have very warm temperatures to start out the day today, and we're going to continue to see warm temperatures for the next several days as we head throughout the work week with possible record-breaking temperatures for the next couple of days. Our record for today's date of May the 2nd is 88 degrees. We're expected to come very close to either tying or breaking that record today. Looking across the region at temperatures yesterday, we saw high temperatures generally running in the upper 70s to low to mid 80s. You saw the warmest reading throughout all the reporting stations at Richmond at 84 degrees, Wallops making it up to 79 degrees. And then overnight last night we saw temperatures falling into the 50s for most all locations. 50 degrees was the cool spot at Salisbury, and at Baltimore we settled in at 54 degrees here at Wallops. No measurable precipitation over the last 24 hours, and as of 9 a.m. we have clear skies throughout the region with temperatures generally running around 70 degrees. We were at 73 degrees here at Wallops. Looking at our data from this morning's balloon release, at freezing level way up there this morning at 11,000 feet, and our winds generally out of a westerly direction from the low levels of the atmosphere all the way up to the 25,000 foot level, where we see a west-north wind of 18 knots, so a pretty light wind speed throughout the entire column this morning as a ridge of high pressure settles over the area. You can see that high pressure over the eastern United States currently, surface high pressure off the coast really bringing in a warm surge of southwesterly flow with those temperatures expected to be even higher than they were yesterday. Again, we reached 79 degrees for our daytime high yesterday. We'll probably be 5 to 10 degrees warmer than that after all is said and done today. Looking at our satellite imagery, this is our infrared satellite imagery. You can see over the eastern United States very clear conditions throughout the entire eastern seaboard this morning, from Florida all the way up to northeastern United States. We could see a little bit of high thin cirrus work its way into the region as we go through the afternoon today, but all in all we're going to see mostly clear skies and sunny conditions remain. So we look at our forecast maps for the next couple of days. By later on this evening we're going to see much of the same with mostly clear skies and those mild temperatures. Southwesterly winds will continue overnight tonight, keeping our temperatures pretty mild. And then as we go into the day tomorrow morning into the afternoon, we'll continue to see dry weather and warm conditions continuing throughout the day on Thursday, expecting those high temperatures reaching the mid 80s once again on Thursday with mostly sunny skies. Going into the day on Friday, you can see a frontal boundary will be making its approach to the region by Friday evening. So for the day on Friday, expect mostly clear and dry conditions to continue, but by the time we get into the late evening hours of Friday and into the early morning hours of Saturday, we'll see a pretty big increase in our cloud coverage, and we're going to see the chance for some rain by the time we get into the weekend, especially during the afternoon hours of Saturday. So taking a look at the next 24 hours, you can see mostly clear skies expected to continue for the next 24 hours. Again, we'll see some high thin cirrus cloudiness work its way into the region later on this afternoon into the evening hours, but mostly clear to partly cloudy skies are expected to continue through the nighttime hours tonight. Our overnight low temperature will get down to about 62 degrees by tomorrow morning after a daytime high on Wednesday of 87 degrees. Again, our average temperature for this time of year is about 69 degrees, so much warmer than what we typically see for the beginning of May. Winds will generally be out of a southwesterly to a west-southwesterly direction through the late morning and afternoon hours today, and then we could potentially see a little bit of a sea breeze during the late afternoon hours develop along the coastal sections of the Delmarva Peninsula, and that could drop temperatures down several degrees if a sea breeze does move into the region late this afternoon. We could go from the mid 80s to the mid 70s pretty quickly as that sea breeze moves in during the late afternoon and into the evening hours tonight. Looking ahead to the forecast on Thursday, we're expecting partly cloudy and unseasonably warm conditions once again with a daytime high of 86. Then for Thursday night, we'll be mild with a low of 65, and Friday expecting partly cloudy and unseasonably warm temperatures once again with skies becoming mostly cloudy during the evening and a daytime high of 85 degrees. So for the next 7 days, we're still going to see warmer than normal temperatures for this time of year. As every day we see a high temperature above 70 for the next several days, but we will see a pretty good cool off as we go into the weekend, with those high temperatures going from the mid 80s to the low 70s by Sunday. Saturday, depending on where that frontal boundary sets up, we could see a little bit cooler conditions than what we currently have forecasted for Saturday's high of 76. Better chance that 76-degree reading will be in the morning hours, and then cooler conditions in the afternoon, especially if we see some of those showers and thunderstorms fire along the Wallops region Saturday afternoon into the evening. We could see a cool off during times of those showers. As we go into Sunday, we'll see scattered showers once again. Best chance for those showers to occur looks to be during the morning hours, and we likely will see a little break in the action and potentially another chance of showers during the evening. But neither Saturday or Sunday will see an all-day rain event for us. It will be scattered in nature, and we'll see some peaks of sunshine as well during the days on Saturday and Sunday. As we go into the beginning of next week, we'll see mostly cloudy skies, starting out our work week with a high temperature of 70 degrees, and then for Tuesday, partly cloudy skies with a high of 71. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.